Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete all your watch later videos at once on YouTube. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Firstly, you have to go on to YouTube, then open up your watch later by clicking the three lines on the side of your screen. As you can see, we will have these videos that we want to delete. Now open up another tab in your browser and search up YouTube watch later list in the Chrome. Now click add to Chrome. If this shows up, then it's alright. You can click add extension. Now it's added to your Chrome. Now you have to click on the extensions button and you have to click pin. It would not delete your YouTube, or it will not detect on your YouTube. Now you have to go back into your YouTube watch later, and now you will see a big bold red button. See all these buttons and you can click on the extension button. It will show YouTube later watch assist. Now click remove all videos. It will go into another tab and you have these two buttons up there. Now it's tell you how many videos are in total, how many are being removed and how many are remaining. And it's super quick and you don't have to click anything. Now that's all of them are removed. You have no more videos in your watch later and it's done. So this is the way how you can delete all your watch later video at once on YouTube. Thanks for watching this video.